In this video we will talk about top 5 cold shower benefits for your health and body. Did you know that a daily cold shower could boost your immune system by up to 30%? It sounds crazy, right? But it's true. Cold showering, which simply means turning the knob to brrr and braving the chill for a short period, has some incredible scientifically proven health benefits. And today, we're going to break them down for you one by one. So if you're ready to upgrade your health with this one simple habit, keep watching. Okay, let's talk about how cold showers can supercharge your immune system. When you expose your body to cold water, it activates your body's natural defenses. This includes increasing the production of white blood cells, which are your body's first line of defense against infections. These little guys are like the superheroes of your immune system, fighting off bacteria, viruses, and other invaders, and there's actual research to back this up. One study found that people who took daily cold showers for 30 days had a 29% reduction in sick days compared to those who didn't. That's huge. Imagine being sick almost 30% less often. What would you do with all those extra healthy days? Now I know what you're thinking, Dr. Mike. I can barely handle a lukewarm shower, let alone a cold one. And trust us, we get it. But the good news is that you don't have to go full-on polar bear plunge right away. Even a short burst of cold water at the end of your shower can make a difference. Remember, your body is incredibly adaptable, and the more you challenge it with cold exposure, the more resilient it becomes. It's like building a suit of armor against illness. Cold showers aren't just good for your immune system, they're amazing for your circulatory system too. When you hop under that cold water, your blood vessels constrict, which helps to improve blood flow and circulation throughout your body. Think of it like this. Your blood vessels are like a network of highways, and cold water acts like a traffic controller, making sure everything flows smoothly and efficiently. This improved circulation is especially beneficial for your heart health. It helps to lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of blood clots, and even improve your overall cardiovascular fitness. And let's not forget about the benefits for your skin. Cold water can help to tighten pores, reduce inflammation, and even give you a healthy glow. We've talked about physical health, but cold showers are also a game changer for your mental health. That's because cold water can trigger the release of endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain that have mood-boosting and pain-relieving effects. It's like a natural antidepressant. Think about it. Have you ever jumped into a cold pool or lake and felt that instant rush of energy and exhilaration? That's the power of endorphins at work. And the best part is that these mood-boosting effects can last for hours after your shower. So if you're feeling stressed, anxious, or just down in the dumps, a cold shower might be just what the doctor ordered. Plus, there's something incredibly empowering about conquering that initial shock of cold water. It's a mental challenge that can help you build resilience and discipline, which can translate to other areas of your life. Now let's talk about sports activity. If you're an athlete or even just someone who likes to stay active, listen up. Cold showers are a secret weapon for muscle recovery. You see, cold water helps to reduce inflammation and soreness in your muscles after a tough workout. It does this by constricting blood vessels, which helps reduce swelling and flush out lactic acid, the stuff that makes your muscles feel sore and stiff. Think about those ice baths you see athletes taking after a big game. Cold showers have a similar effect. Now, we are not saying you need to replace your post-workout protein shake with an ice-cold shower, but incorporating a few minutes of cold water into your routine can make a world of difference in how quickly your body recovers. Plus, it's a great way to cool down and refresh after a sweaty workout. You'll feel energized and ready to tackle the rest of your day. Do you struggle to wake up in the morning? Do you find yourself reaching for that extra cup of coffee just to get going? Well, we've got good news for you. Cold showers can help. That's because the shock of cold water sends a jolt of adrenaline through your system, instantly waking you up and making you feel more alert and energized. Think of it as a natural alternative to caffeine. No more relying on that morning coffee to jumpstart your day. A cold shower will have you feeling refreshed, focused, and ready to tackle whatever challenges come your way. And it's not just about feeling more awake. Cold showers can also improve your cognitive function. Studies have shown that cold exposure can enhance mental clarity, improve memory, and even boost creativity. That's right, a cold shower might be the key to unlocking your full brain power. So, are you ready to unlock the amazing benefits of cold showers? Start by gradually incorporating cold water into your routine. Begin with just a few seconds at the end of your regular shower, and gradually increase the duration as you get used to it. You'll be surprised by how quickly your body adapts. We are curious, have you guys tried cold showers before? What were your experiences like? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Top Health Tips channel for more awesome health and wellness content. Stay healthy, friends, and I'll see you in the next video.